All right, so what's up, guys? I know it's been a while since I posted something, but I figured I'd let you see what's going on with the car right now. I remember what the last video was. I think I had just finished up like the cage and stuff, and I'm still not done with that, but I kind of got held up doing all the holiday stuff. But just got my seat in today. The brackets have been here. I just kind of placing it around. I got this just sitting there. All these tubs and stuff they're just kind of floating, but here, let me move this. Okay. So I got tubs down here. Those have been here for a little bit. I got them during the holidays. I've got this all mocked up, getting ready to put them in place for real. They're not solid yet, so right now it's looking like it's coming together pretty good. I've got a couple more things I'm about to order, and I'm gonna get these tubs put in pretty soon. I got the aluminum ones for the jegs, so I'm gonna fit them probably like very soon, and like make tabs on my inner fenders, on my quarter panels or whatever, and so I can like actually have something for the tub itself to sit on. And I'm pumped. It's definitely come a long way in the last little bit. I've been excited a lot. I got some tires, forgot. Get out of here. These are 29 by 12 slicks. But like I said, I just got the seat in today. I just set it in there, mock it up. The wheels and tires. These are 29 by 12s. Hoosiers, they're slicks. Oh yeah. I got quite a bit of room left in there. I can't really tell if y'all can see anything, but yeah. This is about where it's gonna sit whenever it's on the ground. Maybe about an inch higher. But I should have no issue, clearing everything everywhere. So I've got my roll bars right here ready to go in the back. I just had to make sure the tubs are gonna fit before I put the roll bars in. Like I said, the tubs, that's the actual tubs. These are just mock-ups. So I'm gonna have like a pretty small tunnel for each side, or for the drive shaft. So each side is gonna be pretty close to each other for the seats. Let's see. It's definitely coming along though. I'm excited. She's gonna look real bad when she's on the ground. Real bad. So I ended up taking the steering column out. I'm gonna put, a drag race, styled steering column. It's just a work in progress, little at a time. I had to take quite a bit of time off because I was working so much, but I'm gonna start getting back into it slowly. I'm gonna get all my tools back up. Definitely coming along. All right, well, I appreciate y'all checking it out. Like, comment, subscribe. See what else I got going on. A lot of stuff coming in here shortly. I'm real excited to have this thing on the ground. I've been looking a lot at the front suspension, and I'm gonna definitely change all the stock stuff. I was gonna do a Mustang 2 front end and all that, but now I've been looking in, there's a lot of people like actually making like really good suspension. So, like for coilovers in the front, keep my same style. I'm still gonna run like a tubular front end, but I won't have to switch out like, make A-arms and, kind of make everything. This way it's a little bit easier. So, very, very excited. Once this thing is in paint, just one color all together, it'll make a world of difference. It'll be crazy how much better this thing looks. But very soon, one thing at a time. Thank y'all again for watching. Nitemare out.